Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down. After that, tap on Additional Settings over here and select Languages and Input. Now you need to select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme. From here you have two options. You can scroll down and tap on Show More to see all available themes. Then click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this sweater, and finally apply your keyboard by choosing Apply. Or you can click on this plus icon instead over here and customize it however you wish to. Firstly, click on the background photo that you wish to set up. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Following that, select Next and adjust brightness of your keyboard by swiping left or right. Now select Done, Manage Keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit one of your keyboards, you can do that by clicking on the chosen one and selecting this pen icon next to Keyboarders. Now make your changes. And tap on Apply. As you can see now, when I go back, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!